Assalamu alaikum students, me Azma Zahra here, your social studies teacher. Hope you all are fine and healthy at your homes. Today we are going to learn about the topic industries in Pakistan, and the subtopic which we are going to discuss in this lecture is major industries of Pakistan. Before it, I want to explain industries which use agricultural products as their raw materials are called agro-based industries. They include cotton, textile, woolen industries, the sugar industries, and fruit juices. In Pakistan, agro-based industries are common as they use local raw materials. Now, let's watch a video about the industries of Pakistan. Then will we start our topic. So, as we have discussed that Pakistan depends on agricultural products as their raw material basically. So, the first industry which will we discuss about is textile industry or cotton textile industry of Pakistan. Cotton textile is Pakistan's largest industry. It provides employment to 50% of the industrial labor force. It has been developed at various locations. Hyderabad, Karachi, and Faisalabad are the main centers of the cotton textile industry. Raw cotton, cotton yarn, cotton cloth, ready-made garments are all exported to many countries as well as being consumed domestically. There is a picture of textile industry, whether threads turns into the cloth or clothes turns into the ready-made garments. Then the sugar industry or sugar mills. The sugar industry is one of the vital industries. Sugar is mainly made from sugarcane. Sugar mills are located in Punjab, NWFP, and Sindh. Balochistan does not have any sugar mills. Sugar mills have to be located near the sugarcane fields. The byproducts of sugar industries are molasses and sugar mills produce sugar from sugar beet and sugar cane. Molasses is a byproduct of the sugar refining process. This is a picture of sugar industry where sugar cane used as a raw product, raw material. Then the cement industry. There are many favorable factors for development of cement industries in Pakistan. Number one, availability of raw material. The raw material which are used in cement industries are available in Pakistan abundantly, just as limestone and gypsum. Both are found in Pakistan. Then the third one, good market with high demand from construction industry. Then the picture of cement industry. Then car or automobile industry of Pakistan. The car manufacturing and assembly industry in Pakistan is growing fast. Some vehicles are produced totally in Pakistan, while a majority of vehicles you use on the roads have been assembled locally. This means that parts are imported from other countries and then put together in Pakistan to produce the vehicle. Type of vehicles produced in Pakistan include cars, jeeps, vans, buses, trucks, tractors, and motorcycles. You can see the assembling of parts of cars. Now, the last but not least, cottage industry. A cottage industry is a small industrial unit which the owner and his or her family members run themselves. Pakistan's cottage industry is famous for sport goods, which are produced in Sialkot, leather products, bangles from Hyderabad, embroidered dresses, Multani footwears. This is the making of goods in people's own homes, often with all the family members working when not engaged in the fields or elsewhere. Often they use materials from their own land, leather, wool, etc. As the people do not have technical training nor expensive equipments, the products are relatively simple but demand considerably skill, as in embroidery, decorated shoes, ethnic jewelry, carved and other goods for tourists, and of course carpets. Cottage industry often supply local needs such as blacksmith, cart and furniture makers and potters. They also provide jobs for the local people. Some cottage industries have even grown into smaller factories. These make sport goods, cutlery, and small engineering products such as electric fans. Cottage and small scale industries are usually based in villages and are of great importance to the government. The state often supplies training and money to set up the small workshops. Now, task to do. You have to name the major industries of Pakistan and give reasons for their growth in Pakistan. Then, the next one is locate industries of Pakistan on the map of Pakistan. You can take help from your book, page number 79. There is a map on which the industries are located. You have to locate cement industry, textile industry, sugar industry, as well as automobile industries of Pakistan on the map only.